No, it's Christmas cookies. And this is so easy. So we got this box with all the ingredients we need. We got the dough rolls and we have a Christmas tree cutter. We have some icing, some toppings. We got this from Cake Tart by Shay, and it's only £10, so it's worth it to buy it. So these are the things we're going to be using that she's given us, and this is so easy because she's given us the instructions and it's got pictures of what it looks like, and this is so easy. So you have to leave the dough in the fridge, and after, once it's ready, you can cut it out. When you're doing this, you have to preheat the oven. One, go. Now press it out. I have to push out really carefully so it doesn't. We've got a star cutter too, so we're gonna make a star shape too. So I'll put it first, you can do the next one. Cookies in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we've left the cookies to be cooled. We're going to ice them now. Let's ice. Do what you want. Using a fork to do some little lines on the Christmas tree, like some leaves or something. Ari, what are you doing for your star? What is that? That I finish. I'm going to be using some of this red icing and some sprinkles for my bubbles. Look. I did it all one. Hopefully you enjoy making this. It's super fun. Oh, I did it, Mama. Okay, move on to the next one now. do No, you can't.
No, yes, I can.
I can't do some stripes.
Mama,
It's too thick. Next time I should make a thinner one. Okay, I'm gonna put them. Actually, I'm gonna put like some tinsel.
I want that one. I want that one.
Yummy. You should definitely try Cake Talk by Shay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Arian, say bye.
Bye.
So good. Can I show you something? Look. So it's red nice. And then I put it up. It's yo ho ho. And Arian's one can squeak. See?
No, ho, ho.